Understanding bike basket, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very simple yet essential part of a bicycle that can make a huge difference in your daily commute or leisurely rides. We're exploring the term bike basket, what it is, what it's used for, and why it's such a convenient accessory for any cyclist. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding these everyday terms can be very helpful. So, let's get started. A bike basket is a basket that is attached to a bicycle. It's a practical accessory that is usually made of metal, wicker, or durable fabric. Baskets can be found in front of the bike, mounted near the handlebars, or at the back, attached to the rear frame. They are designed to carry items like groceries, books, or personal belongings, making it easier for riders to transport things without needing to carry them on their back or in their hands while riding. Bike baskets have been around since bicycles were invented. They started as simple containers attached to bikes to add functionality. Over time, these baskets have evolved in design and material to become more streamlined and fashionable, while still maintaining their practicality. Some modern baskets are even detachable and can be used as shopping baskets in stores or as carriers when off the bike. There are several types of bike baskets, each with its own set of benefits. Here are a few common ones. Front handlebar baskets. These are the most visible and accessible while riding. They're great for keeping an eye on your belongings and can be used for quick trips. Rear baskets, usually larger, these are placed on the back of the bike and can carry heavier loads. Side baskets, also known as panniers, they hang on the sides of the rear wheel and are perfect for balanced carrying. Choosing the right bike basket depends on your needs. Consider the size, weight capacity, and attachment method. For instance, if you frequently shop for groceries or carry heavy items, a sturdy rear basket might be the best option. For light and quick errands, a small front basket will do just fine. And that wraps up our discussion on bike baskets. As you can see, a bike basket is more than just a part of the bicycle. It's a versatile tool that can significantly enhance your biking experience. We hope this video has been informative and that you've learned something new about the English language and bicycle culture. Happy cycling and learning, and we'll see you in the next video.